All right, so here with another reggae girl, Vyan, Sampson, right? All right, so first of all, you came on as a late sub. Talk us through the game as a team and your individual performance. Are you pleased?
Definitely pleased. It's quite a scrappy game, but obviously with the new management coming in, we've learnt a lot of new things over the course of the last few days. And it's only going to be a matter of time before we start putting things together and gelling. Obviously there's a lot of girls from all over the world coming together to represent Jamaica. So it's about us biding our time, gelling as a group to hopefully finish strong in this group and continue qualification.
All right, so you're a Jamaican, but you play in England.
Yeah.
Arsenal is my team. I see that you once played for Arsenal and West Ham and other teams. Talk us through that. What is it like playing in England?
Obviously I'm British, so it's not too strange for me. But obviously being a young girl, I supported Arsenal, so it was obviously a great experience to be able to play for my childhood club. Both male and female were my team growing up, so that was obviously a joy. Obviously that's the highest level in women's football, so I'm glad that I can just come here and use my experience to help the team.
All right. I want to get a feel of the mood in the camp. What's it like? I know that only one team advances to the next round. Is there any pressure there? What's it like?
I don't really think there's pressure, but we expect to top this group, and we say that respectfully. We come out every game and put on our best performance. We don't take any game for granted. We know regardless of who we're playing, we have to come out here and perform to get the result. It's not a pride thing. It's not us thinking we're better than anyone else, but that's what's required at the highest level to win.
All right, final one. Walk me through the connection. Is it maternal, paternal? I know, but the fans may not know.
Paternal, man.
All
Paternal, maternal, all of that.
All right, so she's a true Jamaican.
True Jamaican. People don't think so, but yeah, I'm Jamaican.
All right. And one question I want to ask you. You are actually making your debut today in this one. Talk to us about being in the national stadium with some of the fans in the stadium cheering on. They were very involved in the game. Talk to us about the feeling that you felt making your debut today.
It's been a long time coming, and obviously I've had a few experiences playing for this team in the US, but there's nothing like coming home, like playing in front of the Jamaican fans in this great stadium that as a child, as a young adult, I spent watching on TV, watching national championships for athletics,
wow,
watching Jamaica qualification, well, try to qualify anyway, for World Cups and stuff. So I know the history of this stadium, and it feels amazing to be here, and I'm so happy like COVID's finally sorting itself out and a few fans could come and support us today.